God is confirming to you today what you have been waiting for. I heard your prayer, therefore proceed with assurance, knowing that I have your back. God is telling you to expect wonderful news today. Supernatural transformation. This is the time of your favor and blessings. You will be informed that something amazing has happened to you today. Get ready for something good to happen. God is telling you that your drought is over today, and that He will pour favor into your career. I will bless your life with blessings, your relationships with peace, your children with protection, your health with healing, and your relationships with healing. This is when wealth is meant to come into your life. God is telling you that today is the day that a new door will open for you, that the difficulties you are currently facing will end, and that you will experience an unexpected rush of blessings and opportunities that will make the path clear for you. Be patient and trust in God's timing. It will happen. Hold on to your faith and don't give up. Your breakthrough is on the way. God is telling you that He will take away all of your worry, tension, and suffering today and replace it with serenity. Harmony, love, blessings, and healing God is telling you that you are going to experience a change that will propel you toward your destiny. God is saying to you today, I see your potential. I know what you're capable of. You may feel weak, but I call you strong. You may be intimidated, but I call you confident. You may feel less than, but I call you well able. Get in agreement with me and start believing what I say about you. Blessings are coming your way. I am going to unleash a double portion of blessings and favor in your life for all of the trials, tribulations, heartaches, and setbacks you may have endured. I have a blessing for you. God is saying to you today, I know you've been struggling for a long time. The devil has tried to make you lose your mind many times. You have been betrayed in many ways. Fear not, I am going to turn things around and bless you in the presence of your enemy. Hold on to your faith. God is saying to you today, I'm going to open the windows of heaven and pour out everything you've been waiting and praying for. Blessings of love, good health, and prosperity are coming your way. God is saying to you today, I am going to heal your pain, restore what you have lost, and provide all the financial resources you need. Blessings and favor are in your future type. Put your trust in me, and I will turn your fears into focus and your difficulties into blessings. What the enemy intended for evil, I will use for good. God is saying to you today, you are almost there. He is requiring preparation, commitment, focus, and patience. Nothing can stop what I am about to do in your life. God is saying, it's time for you to smile again. He is reminding you that you are not alone in this, that my angels are with you already, to relax and just trust me. In fact, you need to get excited again, because I have amazing plans for you that exceed your wildest expectations. The best is yet to come. God is telling you that if you keep going forward, being obedient when no one is looking, doing the right thing even when it's uncomfortable, and not complaining because you don't see things changing, then you're going to give birth to dreams bigger than you've ever imagined. I'm going to set you up for a breakthrough like you have never seen before. You are entering a brand new season. Don't hate the process. Don't hate the journey. Storms may arise, but those storms will refine you to become more like me. People will watch from a distance and wonder how you have so much favor on your life. They won't understand that it was my hand that did this in you. No one will ever take credit for what I accomplished through you. God is saying to you today, I am going to bless you beyond words. If you saw the size of the blessing coming, you would understand the magnitude of the battle you are fighting. I have a plan for you. Type 333 is a way for God to confirm this. I'm going to solve your issue, so don't give up. When you witness what God does next, you'll understand that worrying was pointless because something wonderful is on the way. Calm down and put your trust in God. He has something exceptional and wonderful in store just for you. Stay positive and inspired. God is telling you that today is going to be different for the better because of everything you have been through. You will receive the miracle you have been praying for, and I can make it happen. I will bless your health, your family, and your finances. The next thing I do for you and your family will be a huge, amazing healing. Blessings and favors are on their way to your home. I know you are worried about your future. I know you are worried about your family, your career, and your finances. My child, those burdens are not yours to bear. Give them all to me. Do not worry about the future. I will guide you, provide for you, heal you, and make you whole. I have a plan, and in me, you have a purpose. God is saying to you today, my child, why are you worrying so much? I see the tears you cry when you are by yourself, but I want you to know that you are not alone. I am here, my child. I wish you could see how I protect you. I changed your plans to save you. I don't break things so you can use them for my own benefit. You might not be able to see it now, but I'm working everything out for you. Seek me, and you will find the answers you need. When you're weak, I'll be your strength. Give it to me, let go, and have faith in me. My child will trust me. God is telling you that things are going to change today. I'm going to make things happen so that you can find opportunities to find unexpected blessings. You'll meet the right person unexpectedly. Your health will improve unexpectedly. You'll have enough money to pay off all of your bills and take extra care of your kids. God is telling you that this month will be significant for you and that you will experience miracles, wonderful news, and unanticipated blessings. God is telling you today that you are entering a month of answered prayers. You will be joyful again, heal, grow, and flourish into the person you are meant to be. You will also finally find peace because you deserve it. Recuperation changes in miracles and breakthroughs. This is going to be fantastic for you and your family. God is telling you today, you will overcome this circumstance, and I will repay you for every wrongdoer, injustice, and misfortune that you have endured. Blessed and fully paid, people who feel vindicated and gratified will be aware that I ruled in your favor. God is telling you today is the moment for new beginnings and opportunities. Write 555 to confirm this. August and July will be a time of significant transition, spiritual discoveries, restorative love, blessings, novel concepts, new vision, the conclusion of difficult chapters, and the introduction of fresh avenues. God is saying to you today, I'm renewing your strength even though anxiety fills your heart. I'm giving you everlasting peace. You will make it through this. Claim it and accept it by faith. The best is yet to come. God is saying to you today, I am proud of the fact that you are still fighting, still praying, still searching the scriptures for answers, and still getting up every morning looking to spread light and love in this dark world. Continue to fight. The good fight of faith. You are stronger than you think. I am going to open up the windows of heaven and pour out healing, wisdom, favor, and blessings over your life. I love you so much. God is saying to you today, change is coming. I will cause opportunities to find you. Unexpected blessings are coming your way. You will suddenly meet the right person. Suddenly, your health will improve. Suddenly, you will have enough to pay off all your bills and do something extra for your children. I am shifting things in your favor. Type 666. To affirms this, God is saying to you today, what you see with your eyes is in physical form, but what I am doing is in the spiritual realm. How I long for your faith to increase so that nothing you see will shake you or prevent you from believing in me. God is saying to you today that you need to get ready. Your blessing will arrive sooner than you think. Suddenly, one call, one opportunity, and your life changes. Faith is the only thing that will cause you to keep going when everything else inside your soul is screaming to give up. There will always be a crossroads in your life when you will have to make a choice to trust me fully or to trust in what you see. Remember that trials make you stronger, and perfect your faith so you can finish what I sent you to earth to do. God is telling you today that anyone who attempts to tear you down is just scared of who you are and what you can become. Rather of joining them in their game, keep your attention and energy directed toward me. I will make a path for you. Continue to shine even brighter as you move forward into your blessings. Join me in prayer. Lord, you are the ultimate source of strength and inspiration, and I turn to you in times of fatigue and uncertainty. Give me the willpower to overcome obstacles with fortitude and tenacity. May your heavenly energy fill my soul, helping me through times of doubt. INF, igniting my drive to achieve my objectives, illuminating the way ahead, and reminding me that all is possible with you in times of weakness. Raise my spirit and rekindle my enthusiasm with your unchanging grace. Amen. Let your presence be a constant source of inspiration, encouraging me to strive for excellence and positively impact the world around me. God is telling you that today marks the beginning of a month filled with answers to your requests, healing, breakthroughs, and miracles. This is going to be fantastic for you and your family. God is telling you that you will be properly paid and blessed when you emerge out of this circumstance. I know every person who has wronged you, every injustice, and every setback. People who feel vindicated and gratified will be aware that I have decided in your favor, type 555, which confirms what God is telling you right now, that this is the right time for fresh starts and opportunities. August and July will be a time of significant transition. Spiritual discoveries, restorative love, blessings, novel concepts. God is saying to you today, I'm renewing your strength, even though anxiety fills your heart. I'm giving you everlasting peace. You will make it through this. New vision is the closing of painful chapters and the opening of new doors. Claim it and receive it by faith. The finest is still to come. God is saying to you today, I am proud of the fact that you are still fighting, praying, searching the scriptures for answers, and getting up every morning, looking to spread light and love in this dark world. Continue to fight the good fight of faith. You are stronger than you think. I am going to open up the windows of heaven and pour out healing wisdom, favor, and blessings over your life. I love you so much. God is saying, change is coming. I will cause opportunities to find you unexpected blessings. You will suddenly meet the right person. Your health will improve. I am shifting things in your favor, type 666, to affirm this. God is saying to you today, what you see with your eyes is in the physical realm, but what I'm doing is in the spiritual realm, how I want